Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain how to work on the second example of the data analytics, that is max temperature. So first step is to go to Eclipse and it will open your Eclipse IDE. Then go to File, New. We need to select the Java project. Then give the name of the Java project like max temperature. Then next, click on finish. Then you will see here the max temperature Java project has been created. So next step is to just click on it, then right click on SRC, then go on next. Now here we need to create a package. So give the name of the package. It is better if we will give the same name as the name of the project. So I'm giving the name, it is like max temperature. Then finish. Now next, what we need to do, just click on project name, right click, go on build path, then configure build path. So here we need to add the external jars. So click on libraries, add external jars. So go on the path where your hadoop is installed, like user, local, hadoop, share. Inside the share it is hadoop. So we need to include the external jars from the three folders. One is common, second SDFS, and third is MapReduce. So go on common. So we need to select these three jars, then click on OK. Then again click on add external jars. So go on SDFS folder, select these three jar files, then click on OK. Then again add external jars. Then inside the MapReduce, select all these jar files, then OK. Then click on OK. So now we will see there is a reference to libraries. It will include all the jars that we have included. So next step is just we need to create the classes for map, reducer and driver. So to create that classes, just go on Moodle and follow the tutorial, that is max temperature. See, in this tutorial we have the same steps. First is create a new Java project. Then inside the Java project we need to create a package. Then after creating the package we need to add the external jars. So remember, here we need to include the jars from three folders. One is MapReduce, then common and SDFS. The next step is we need to create the mapper class. So just copy the name of the class and go into your Eclipse. Then right click on your package name. Then right click new class and paste the name of the class. Then finish. Here you will see it will create some code. This is the name of the package and this is the class. So now go on your tutorial and just copy the code from here except the first line, that is package name. Rest copy whole code and paste in your this class. Just remove this code except first line, then paste code, then save your code. Again we need to create the another class in the same manner. Just now we need to create the reducer class. Now copy the code, class name, and again right click on your package name, new, then class, paste the class name, click on finish. See, it will create again the some code. Then copy the code except the first line, then paste the code, then save your class. Then next we need to create the last class, that is driver class. So again just copy the name of your class, go into your Eclipse, just right click on your package, new, class, and paste the name of the class, then click on finish. Again we need to copy this code except the first line, that is package line. Sorry. Oops. Copy this code and paste over here, just accept the first line and click on save. Here we can see like there is no red cross, just we have a little small yellow symbol. This is just a no, this is not an error, just a message. So we are completed with the classes. Now next step, if we go to the tutorial, then what is the next step? Supply input and output. So the input is data that we will get from here, a very first link of GitHub in this tutorial. So just click on this link. So in this link in the project you will find sample.txt file. Just open that file and copy this data and paste this data into your virtual machine. Just go to your text editor, open text editor, then paste this data and save this file. For the time being I'm just saving this file on the desktop, like sample.txt. See. Now what next I need to do, I need to create a folder structure, that is very important. So let's go on desktop. I have created a folder like lab work. Inside the lab I'm going to create a new folder like maxTemp, whatever the name you want to give. This is the main folder for my program. So inside the maxTemp I need to create a new folder, that is input. So inside the input folder I need to put this sample data. So what I'm going to do, just cut that file from there, put inside the input folder. So now what is my folder structure? Inside the lab work I have a maxTemp folder. Inside the maxTemp I have an input folder. Inside the input folder I have my sample data. Now what I need to do next, I need to export my project as a jar file. So right click on your project. See over here inside the project I have a package that contains all the classes, but here what I need to do, I need to just right click on the project name, not on the package. So right click on the project name and go to export and select Java. Inside the Java we need to select the jar file option and give the name of the jar file that should be similar to your um, package name, but in this case I have a same name for the package as well as for the project. So I'm giving the name next temperature. Oops, sorry, again just right click on your project name, go to export, select Java. Inside the Java there is an option for jar file, then click on next. Here we need to browse the path where we want to save this jar file. So I want to save inside the desktop. On the desktop I have a folder lab work. Inside the lab work I have a maxTemp folder, and here I need to give the name of my jar file that should be similar to your package name. So it is maxTemperature.jar, then OK, then finish. So this is just normal warning, not an error, then OK. Then if I will go to my folder structure, then inside the maxTemp I have my maxTemperature jar. So next we are just left with the commands that we need to put inside the .sh file. So to get the .sh file, just go on again Moodle and just download your word count example. Inside the word count example we have a .sh file. So I'm going to download this file on the desktop, this zip folder. See, this is my word count.zip. Just extract it. So when you will open this folder, you will get, there is a sh file. Just open with text editor and copy the code and paste it inside the virtual machine. Just again open editor and paste this code and save this file beside the input folder, that is my desktop, lab work, max temperature, and I'm giving the name of this file is maxtemp.sh. See, the name, whatever you want to give, you can give, but the extension should be sh. Then we click on save. Now here, what we need to change in this file, the first thing is local path. So for right now, the local path is desktop. Inside the desktop, it is lab work. Like we can see the path from here: desktop, lab work, next temp. So I need to change first the local path. This is desktop, then lab work, then inside the lab work my main folder name is maxtemp, and here we need to just give the name of main folder. So here we need to change this, just we need to give the name of the main folder. So the third thing that we need to change, first we need to change over here, this is local path, and then we just need to give the name of our jar. So what is the name of my jar? So here, let me maximize the screen. So we change the over here local path, then we need to write the name of our jar, that is max temperature dot jar. Next thing we need to change over here, this is your package name dot your driver class name. So let's go inside the Eclipse. So here, this is my package name max temperature, and this is my driver class name max temperature driver dot java. So I need to write over here my package name is max temperature dot, then driver class name, that is max temperature driver. So in the sh file that we got from the word count example, we need to make changes in 3 places. First, in local path, just define your path, folder path. Then this is your main folder name, and after that the third change we have to make, from here we need to write local and then write the name of your jar. This is your package name, then dot, this is your driver class name. Then just save it and then go to the command prompt. Then go into your folder structure, that is cd desktop, as my folder location is desktop, lab work, then maxTemp. So I need to go inside the maxTemp folder. So cd, then lab work, then cd maxTemp. So here, this is my command file that contains all the commands. So I need to run this file. After running this file, it will automatically generate the output folder, and inside the output folder we will have two files. One will contain the output and second will be like success message. So to run this file we need to write bash, then file name. So maxtemp.sh, hopefully should work. It will take some time to run. So here we will see like an output folder has been created. Inside the output we have two files. If we click on it, then it is the output, that is max temperature, and the second file, that is empty. So thank you friend, these was the guidelines to run the max temperature example.